Hi, I'm Stephanie with HD Supply Facilities Maintenance, and I'd like to help you register to order on hdsupply.solutions.com. If you've already registered, I'll also show you how to update your account information. To register, select the Register to Order link in the upper right corner. If you have ordered before via phone or fax, you'll already have an account number. You can find your account number on your invoice or give us a call and we'll provide it. By providing this information, you will connect to your existing account, including any contract pricing. Complete all fields and select Register to Order. If you have never ordered with HD Supply before, you'll need to register as a new customer. Complete the brief online form. Be sure to scroll down and select Submit and Shop once finished. If you'd like to edit your account profile, sign in and choose Profile within the Account drop-down in the upper right corner. From there, edit information and remember to save or update. Thanks for checking out our help video and for shopping on hdsupply.solutions.com.